Welcome to Regency Toyota, Mr. Kaizam. I'll take your keys for you. Perfect. Please follow me inside.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Regency Toyota Service. My name is Jeff. I'm the Assistant Service Manager here, and this is our service team.
Your parts, Mr. Kaizam.
This is Netta, our service manager. Netta, this is Mr. Kaizam. He's here for his first service.
Welcome to Regency Toyota. Would you like to see our base? There are 15 bays and 11 technicians to service your vehicle.
And if you choose to wait while your car is in service, we have this beautiful lounge for you to relax in. You can even sit outside and enjoy the amazing views.